Hello friends, welcome to today's updates. Shares of Suzlon Energy was very active during today's trade, as Suzlon Energy reported a four-fold jump in its consolidated net profit to 1,181 crore for Q4 FY25, mainly on the back of higher revenues. The company reported a consolidated net profit of 254 crore for Q4. Its total income rose to 3,825 crore in the quarter from 2,207 crore reported a year ago. During the financial year FY25, the total income increased to 10,993 crore from 6,567.5 crore during previous year. So far, India added more than 50 gigawatts of installed wind power capacity. It is expected by 2030 the capacity could touch 100 gigawatts. Samvardhana Motherson Group has announced a new 5-year revenue goal as part of its ongoing strategy of releasing such plans twice every decade. The company is now aiming for consolidated gross revenue of $108 billion by FY30. The previous 5-year plan, unveiled in 2020, set a net sales target of $36 billion by FY25, equivalent to 2.55 lakh crore at an exchange rate of 70.89 per dollar. By FY25, Motherson achieved consolidated net revenue of 1.14 lakh crore. To reach its new target, the group plans to pursue aggressive expansion and diversification, supported by a strong order book worth $88.1 billion. Of this, $21 billion is linked to electric vehicle projects, with an increasing contribution coming from non-automotive sectors. Bajaj Auto posted a 5.85% rise in standalone net profit for Q4 FY25, reaching 2,049.31 crore, up from 1,936 crore in the same period last year. The growth in profit and revenue was fueled by strong double-digit gains in premium motorcycles, electric scooters, and commercial vehicles, along with robust, volume-driven export performance. Operating revenue rose to 12,147.97 crore from 11,484.68 crore year-on-year. The company reported an operating margin of 20.17% for the quarter, slightly up from 20.1% a year earlier. Additionally, the board of directors has recommended a dividend of 210 per share. Ola Electric Mobility, the electric two-wheeler manufacturer, reported a net loss of 870 crore for Q4, more than double the 416 crore loss recorded in the same quarter last year. The market responded as expected, with investor sentiment dampened by a 62% year-on-year revenue decline, which dropped to 611 crore in Q4 FY25. Vehicle deliveries also saw a sharp fall, dropping to 51,375 units from 1.15 lakh units in the corresponding period last year, underscoring issues with demand and execution. Despite the challenges, the company remains focused on tapping rural markets and expanding its product range. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited reported a 51% decline in net profit for the fourth quarter of FY25, with consolidated earnings falling to 325.3 crore from 663 crore in the same quarter last year. Revenue for the quarter rose slightly by 2.3% to 3,174.4 crore, compared to 3,103.6 crore a year earlier. However, operational profitability was significantly impacted by a sharp rise in subcontracting costs, which surged from 63.5 crore to 589 crore, leading to a notable margin contraction. Additionally, other income dropped to 309 crore from 348 crore, while project-related expenses quadrupled. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button to express your support and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.